So your Tiguan's panoramic sunshade is sagging on one side and jammed in the track. You're thinking you have to drop the entire headliner to fix it. You don't. The whole assembly actually comes out through the back of the car, just by lowering the rear portion of the headliner. The problem is a small plastic guide that holds a high-tension spring. Volkswagen used a plastic that gets brittle over time, especially with the heat from the sun beating down on the roof. That spring is always pushing on its plastic holder. Eventually, a small tab on the plastic just gives way and snaps. You might have even heard a loud pop from the roof when it finally let go. Once that spring is loose, the broken guide piece tilts and gets wedged in the aluminum track. The motor is still working, so when you hit the button, it tries to force the shade. But it's just pushing against that jammed part. That's the grinding or binding noise you hear. It's not an electrical issue, it's a simple, common mechanical failure. To fix it, you first need to make some room to work. Open the rear hatch and find the upper trim piece. At the top of the opening, it just pulls straight off. Use a plastic trim tool to be safe. But you can usually get your fingertips under the edge and pull straight back. Next, move to the C-pillar trim panels. On both sides, start at the top edge where they meet the headliner and gently pry them loose. Listen for the pop of the clips releasing. This gives you enough slack to carefully pull the back of the headliner down, creating a working flap. Now, here's the critical step. You can't get the shade cassette out from inside the car alone. The fixed rear glass panel has to be removed from the outside first. With the headliner pulled down, look up, and you'll see the Torx bolts, usually T25s, holding the glass frame in place. Remove all of them. This is a two-person job. Have a helper on the outside ready to lift the glass straight up and off the roof. Place it on a soft blanket to avoid any scratches. With the glass out of the way, the entire sunshade assembly is exposed. It's a long black cassette held in by just 4 T25 screws, 2 on each side. The 2 at the rear are easy to see. The 2 front screws are usually hidden by the bunched-up shade. You'll have to manually push the broken shade all the way back into its housing to get to them. Once all 4 screws are out, the entire unit slides straight out toward the back of the car. When you buy a replacement, stick with the genuine OEM part. The cheaper aftermarket shades often use the exact same brittle plastic and will fail the same way in a year or 2. Your other option is to remove the shade fabric from the old frame, reinstall the empty frame, and have a 95% ceramic tint applied to the glass. It blocks nearly the same amount of heat without any moving parts to break again. If you ignore it, the shade will eventually get completely wedged in the track, usually stuck in the open position, letting the sun bake your interior. Check those C-pillar clips before you start. They can be brittle, so it helps to have a few spares on hand.